You do whatever you want to. You can support by telling your friends to watch or writing those tickets.
Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been too long. The risk has not been high enough. Some say he's an idiot. Some say he's daring. And some say that he's gone deaf at this point and he just hasn't realized it yet. Today we are going to be installing some new pipes on the Aventador. As you can see behind me, we already have the car in service mode. Shout out to Nick from O'Gara, because if you watch our episode with the catback exhaust from Army Tricks, to get the wing up and just remove the rear end of the car, you have to get the car in a certain service mode. And to have that, you have to have a certain laptop, which has a very expensive program on it, just get the wing up. So shout out to O'Gara, shout out to Nick. He came down today, helped us out a little bit, put the car in service mode so we can go ahead with this install for you guys. But today we have these test pipes from Army Tricks. This is a very anticipated video because, as you guys know, the car right now is very loud. But from the inside, it's loud, but it's not that loud. Like, you know what's loud, but the car is so well insulated, and because the motor is behind you, you don't get too much drone inside the car. So we're gonna bump it up just a little bit today. This should not only get us max volume on the car, but it will also get us flameage out the back, which, as y'all know, I love flameage out the back.
The issue is that there's three clamping spots.
Right.
So there's that one, and then there's that one. There might be only two, hopefully, but I can't really get the other one. Want to be careful.
Just know all those shots that you just saw was 8 hours of collective film. We didn't film everything
Because we were trying to figure it out. It was already hard.
Bro, we just finally freed up the driver's side mid pipe. We're about to take it out. We still haven't done the other side yet, but here we go. This is a big moment right now.
This is the easy side. All right, let me... Oh my God, it's stuck like a baby. So stuck. We played ourselves. We thought we could get it out, but we can't, because there's a whole bunch of other hoses in the way, especially this thick boy down here. This thick boy keeps getting in our way when we try to pull it up. The exhaust is a little too tall. We got wedged. We're wedged. We're stuck. We're in a place of hard things.
Our thing is too thick. It's a stuck boy. So now we have to remove even more. Guys, if you can't tell, honestly, we have pieces of this car everywhere, and I'm stressed out. I'm scared. I'm stressed. We have to take even more apart just to give us more room. So now Calvin's like, oh, I guess the only thing we can do is take off this oil cooler, and then the oil cooler has a little bit of a hard line before it gets into like a steel braided on both sides. What we need to do is we need to move this a little bit to the right a little bit. So we're taking off the oil cooler. We're gonna try and move this over and then try and take this mid pipe off. It's taken 2 days to get to this point. 2 days. I'm doing a terrible job at keeping you guys up to date. I'm sorry, this is just miserable.
Get in there, teach.
This is a big moment because we have been failing on updating you guys, and you know what? I'm sick of it. I'm just showing that we did it. We had to remove a cross member. We had to break these oil lines, and that's not even out yet. And we lost bolts. We had to go borrow. These are called 3 square, triple square. Like, oh my.
It's been a mission.
Note to self, if any of you have an Aventador and you want to do this, do not do it. Pay someone to do it. In hindsight, I wouldn't have done this. We're not even. This is not gonna get done today. This is like you guys right now. Let me lay this out. You guys right now are in the middle of the video. We still have another day to finish this up, but nonetheless, this is about to come out. 12 hours later. But let me just show you guys why it's so hard. And this is because I don't know if we're explaining it too well. Show that hole, Cal.
This hole is a chasm. It's the tightest. Oh my goodness! You can't even move it.
Just look at how big this is. Okay, so this is what we took out, and we're gonna be replacing this.
Ah, look at the little chacharino
With this.
Oh my god!
So much skinnier. So putting this back in is gonna be a million. Like getting these in and getting the V-bands on, no problem. But getting them out is so hard.
So
We'll
much
never
work.
do it again. If I ever go back to the OEM stuff, I'm taking it to a shop with a big grin on my face, and I'll be like, oh, I'm happy to pay the thousands you're gonna ask to do this, because you know what? It's worth it. But nonetheless,
That was a mess.
we're stoked. Halfway done. We're literally halfway.
No. This is like before the halfway. Halfway is when that guy comes out.
Alright. You ain't wrong. You ain't wrong.
You're like 3/8 of the way.
Wait, do you think I can get it out right now?
No.
No?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Give her a tug.
So we had to disconnect this oil line. So
I'm thinking we still have to disconnect the whole line from the back over there. You see, you could peer down there, Teej. There's one bolt that holds that in.
well, let's find out, Kyle.
Alright, give her a tug.
This is like what it's been. It's been like pulling, oh, stuck there. An hour of figuring out how to remove one thing. Pulling, oh, still stuck. Hour of pulling, and so like I said, we just disconnected this. It's probably still gonna be stuck, but we'll check.
You want me to pull on it? It's still, no, it's Pull it to the side, T. Pull it to the side. Pull around, pull it to the side.
One side.
Wait, hold on. Hold on. We might have to take the top.
T-brake, we'll update you guys when we get it out.
Get it out. Get it out. That's what I'm talking about.
Ladies and gentlemen,
She's.
I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna huck it.
No.
I won't.
No. We need the sensor.
I won't. We still need everything on it, but oh my god. Look at that. That sucks.
Okay, but first of all, let's put the bolt back into that.
Whatever, yeah, that.
So not a lot of oil came out of that. I didn't
look.
tell you. No, not even. It was like a shot of oil.
Really?
Yeah. So
Really?
It's true. Yeah. Super chill.
Well, hell yeah.
We'll huck it later.
Those two pipes are in, boys, which means that we got them in. There's just not enough hands to film it. Couldn't film it. Put them in, V-bands, clamp. Now we're just routing all the sensors and everything. So let me give you.
Dislikes on this video. 1 million dislikes because we didn't film any of it.
So, the next two things to go in, just putting back these sensors. This is the temperature sensors, which plug into the modules up here. All the O2 sensors are plugged in. Those just need to go back in their hole.
Died.
Calvin's putting back the EVAP box that we removed, because we removed way too much stuff just to get that side out. So he's gonna get that out. Once Calvin gets that back, we're actually gonna stop for tonight because it's getting late.
TJ got excited.
I kind of want, if we wanted to, we could finish tonight, because now it's just all putting back. Now it's just doing the cap back exhaust, which we did that. We know how to do it. It's pretty simple. We're just tired. I'm tired. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys tomorrow morning. Back at it again the next morning. We are now starting the rebuilding process. We have the catback exhaust sitting down below me. Calvin and I are gonna throw this thing back on, finish up this install so we can finally start this thing.
Oh, it's Daddy.
amongst it. We are going ahead and moving forward with the Lamborghini downpipes? Test pipes? Are they downpipes or test pipes?
Yo mama pipes.
All right, pipes. So we're going ahead. Calvin's amongst it. Under tray. Going in.
You ready?
I've been recording.
All right, here we go. Well, we're gonna start with the valves closed and then open it. I've heard it's like really drastic.
Oh yeah. I'm not ready. I'm running away.
I don't know if I want to be back here. Right inside.
It's not warm, so it's stopping me halfway. I can't even go all the way.
You shot a flame. You got
Really?
2 flames. Yeah, it's sick.
That is too loud. The thing's going on.
God, Kev. Oh! Massive! Massive!
I gotta see that.
Get right here. Thumb down. Thumb me.
Wait, hold on. I literally can't get it on my camera. Holy. it up. Wow. All right, it's loud.
It's loud.
That's what it needed. That's what it needed.
She's loud.
Unreal.
Video is now over.
If any of you have an Aventador and you want to do this, do not do it. Pay someone to do it.